Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so I have a human hair wig for you today, which probably looks like a nice wash and go. And this video was kindly sponsored by Klaiyi hair. I have reviewed some of their hair before in the past, so I appreciate them sending me this unit. Alright, so before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe if you are not. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a video. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so here is the unboxing, and you get, of course, the wig, some lashes, and a wig cap. Here is the hair straight out of the package with nothing done to it. The curls as they have come. This is what the hairline and parting space looks like. As for the cap construction, you get the two combs on the side, a lace part, as well as a comb in the back. And this is what the lace looks like on my skin before I bleach the knots off camera. All right, y'all, so when I first put this on my head, I was not quite sure what I was going to do with it. So I just had to go in, play around, you know, fluff it out with my fingers and try to figure something out. Look at my doggone broken nail. Disregard. All right, so now I'm just gonna add some Nairobi foam or mousse to the hair just to kind of get it to have some kind of form, shape, and definition, because it's just kind of like blah right now. And then I'm following up with some water, which I should have put on first, but then I realized maybe I should wet this hair a little bit. I really didn't want to glue this unit down, so of course I'm using my bobby pin method on the sides to hold it in place. Hair, I must say, is super soft and very easy to comb through. Now this unit claimed to come with baby hairs, but maybe I accidentally cut them off when I cut the lace because I didn't see them. I was having a hard time finding them and had to create my own new baby hairs. So even though initially I didn't want to glue this unit down, I realized this lace kept lifting over here, so I had to go ahead and spray some Got2b Glue free spray and blow dry that in place so that it was a little more secure. Alright everybody, so this is my final look. Now let me tell you, when I first put this baby on my head, I wasn't too sure. Nope, it was quite questionable. But, you know, after a little finger playing and water and mousse and edge laying, I actually like this. Like, look, y'all don't see my natural hair out hardly ever. Well, my natural hair is a little rebel, so it's a little difficult to work with sometimes. But I'm sure there are so many people's natural hair that look just like this. Not mine, because I got that good 4C hair. But somebody in that good 3, 4A family, yeah, like this would be a cute little, this looks like a wash and go dupe for somebody with that texture of hair. So I like it for that, actually. It's a quick wash and go dupe. Like she's super cute. I could actually rock this. And then it complements my shirt quite nicely. Ow. Alright, so let me go ahead and shout out Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. I truly appreciate it. Okay, so let me read this. This is their short, curly Brazilian water wave human hair lace front wig. It is an 8 inches with 130% density. I have an average cap size with medium brown lace. This unit can be found on Amazon for $53.99, y'all. Come on now. $50 we talking about. You ain't even gotta do nothing to your hair. You ain't even gotta worry about the wash and go. Just plop this baby on and get out the dough. Like, honestly, all I really did was add some water and some mousse. I tried to, you know, get a little separation. But you know one thing I did not do that I'm about to do right now? I did not add any foundation to this parting space. So we're going to open this parting space up. Now, this is not, as you saw with the unboxing, it's not like a lace front or even a lace closure. This is a lace part human hair wig. This might be my very first one where it's just a part. Yeah, it's my first one. So let me go ahead and add some powder because I forgot that step, and maybe it will brighten up. Okay. Winner. It's feeling better already. I just laid a few little swoopy baby hairs right here. Nothing serious. I didn't do anything on this side because I wanted to cover everything over here. So she's not glued down over here or anything. A bobby pin, yes, just to make sure she don't go nowhere. And then I just kind of finger coiled some of these curls in the front just to get some defined curls right here in this little bang area. Redo. I put little bobby pins right here just to pull some of this back. So she's like a little cute little fro that I hardly get to wear, and I actually like her. I know there's some fro lovers out there. Little baby fro. Never hurt nobody. So let me go ahead and give y'all a quick little 360 so you can see her all the way around. So yeah, like I say, she was quick, y'all. I did have to glue her down over here because I kept seeing the lace over here. So yeah, I had to pull out a little sideburn action just to get her to stay down because she was like, parquet. Yeah, wasn't working. All right, so let me know what y'all think about this one right here. This was a little different for me, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. It was quite different because I was like, what am I gonna do with this? But, you know, I actually like it. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments below. Alright guys, be sure to thumbs up this video, make sure you're subscribed, and be sure to share it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye y'all!